Welcome back for another week of career
Wait!
fulfillment and minimal social.
Nah. There's not a.
We know
This looks different though.
find a place where you feel
Hold up.
you belong, and to find a job that
Sister location? FNAF?
and only infrequently with contempt. For that reason, we are excited to inform you that you did an adequate enough job the first time around to have you back.
We're back?
Also, there were no other applicants. So strap yourself in,
Fair. Yeah, who would ever sign up for this shit, bro?
because you ain't seen nothing yet.
Wait, yo? Five Nights at Freddy's. Help wanted. Wait, VR? Wait. Is it gonna be VR? Hold up. Is it gonna be VR? Because the last Help Wanted was VR, right? Who popped up? Was it Ballora? Oh, oops. Fuck. I pressed the wrong button. I want to pause. Yeah, that's definitely Ballora. Look. Come on, I can't even frame skip. Stupid internet. I hate my internet. Look, that is definitely Ballora. Why would you come? Why come back though? Didn't we get scooped? Hold up, but no, this doesn't add up at all. We got scooped. We literally died. Or does it like follow a different ending? Like I feel like there's two endings, right? You get scooped or you escape, sort of, right? No, you turn like all green and stuff, right? I'm confused. Okay, well, I hope it's VR. That would be sick because last time we got a Help Wanted, right? That was the VR. That was so clean. That shit was so scary, bro.